recording this today to demonstrate that the power supply provided with my Prusa i3 Mark III is still clicking in the same way that it has been since the day I received it, the day I first notified Prusa support that this unit needed to be replaced. They initially refused to do so, saying that they were going to provide a software fix. Well, I've diligently applied each of the firmware updates, and they have not resolved this issue. You can hear the click of an arc in the upper right hand corner here of the power supply. You'll notice that I'm not cutting here. I'm going to provide you an indication of the firmware version currently installed here. Okay, we're using 3.7.1-2266. As far as I know, that is the most recent firmware. Several releases beyond where the changelog indicates that the software fix was attempted to resolve this issue. To be clear, there is a minor clicking from the heat bed as well, as distinct from the clicking from the power supply. My understanding is the clicking from the heat bed is expected. The clicking from the power supply occurs only within the United States, where this supposedly universal power supply is being run on 110 volts, 110, 120, whereas it does not occur in Europe. Now, Prusa, of course, has switched to power supplies provided by Delta, which supposedly resolve this issue. So that's what needs to be done here.